Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be reviewing this bottle rack. And so this particular item, it took me about 15 minutes to assemble, and I must say that it's actually quite useful. And so here we have the placement of where your bottles can go. So here I have some shaker cups. Here I have actual bottles. Now on the side here, this is where you're going to be placing your lids, which can simply hang on the side. On the left-hand side here, this is where you could actually place your straws. And so if I grab a demonstration straw, it'll simply just go on just like that. Now you can use this as some sort of drying rack as well because it does come with a tray that you see right over here. So the tray here, it's a silicone pad. And so with it, this is going to be a really neat way to basically organize all your items. And so for my case, I was having a hard time understanding or figuring out where I should place my straws. But now that I have a dedicated spot for them, it makes it easy. So straws go here, cups and bottles go here, and then the lids go right over here. So in case you need to carry it, it does come with handles on the side, which you can simply just lift up and then place down just like that. Overall, I'd say if you're looking for a way to organize your bottles, organize your lids, your straws, etc., this is a great way to do this. This is a high quality organizer. Check it out for yourself.